Mexico! Yeah! Drain's open.
I can't do it now, my lips dry.
Give me a serious walk.
We've been clowns our whole lives. I think I have my fire suit top in the car.
The jacket? It's in there.
Oh, this is the pants. Pants are in there. I don't know if my top.
You have two sets of pants in there? I saw a blue jacket in there, I think.
There might be in the car or...
I guarantee you, before we loaded up and did everything this morning, this nigga probably played like 5 battles of Yu-Gi-Oh! But forgot his laptop in his race jet.
First off, I haven't been playing Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm semi-retired right now. I achieved my goals. I'm thinking about selling my account. Well, it's frowned upon. That's like masturbating on an airplane.
Bro, now that you say that, I was watching Hangover yesterday. Is that where you got that bite? Is that where you got it? I was laughing there.
Psych, it's just Michael.
I like the Clark's style. Got some heavy in it.
Why are you holding it like that?
Hold your girl like this too. What's that? You know how stupid you are, you don't even remember. Oh, bro, you see that they let me out of jail? It's fucking Treyway.
Yeah.
You know? I can't start no beef though.
Those cars are all sitting like this anyways. They're catching everything with the front end. There's actually rules with like just shakers on heads-up cars.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens here. Just kidding guys. Carol Baskin. We're about to go fast. The first pass, I always get the jitters.
Drain's open.
Takes off is just like boom,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it doesn't feel fast. Like, I mean, that's an 8.0 pass at 174, but it wasn't violent. It wasn't.
And look, we need to strike it harder. Either strike it harder, or I think maybe we can start loosening it up on the suspension.
Let's raise the two-step.
Where's it at right now? 4,000? Yeah, I think we might be able to leap harder. Did you click in the high a little bit out there?
After the 60.
A little bit past the 60?
Hit it right out of the gate.
Yeah. Pop trunk.
This thing smells terrible.
We went faster than we've ever gone. The 60 foot is back to where it was, 126. If we can get it into the 120s, 121, or the teens, one teen, then it might haul ass. So, pretty happy overall so far, but I think it has a little bit more left in it. I'm gonna see what the log says and go from there. You know, and all the UPR stuff has this thing going good. All killing it, John killing it, everybody's doing good. The Circle D converter's working, Midnight Trend, nasty. It's a nasty combo, and it's only gonna get faster.
We're back.
What's up, guys? We are back. Sorry for the delays. Life has been pretty hectic these last few months.
I'm about to blow up. I built this shit myself. Okay. Okay. Oh. 738 on the base tube.
Dude. It's so deceiving too.
Yeah. That blow off valve just swept the whole floor.
Yeah. I really prefer the Max, the blow off valve Max or whatever. I prefer the upgraded one. It sounds a lot cooler, and I feel like the car just drives a little bit better. This one, we haven't done it yet, but I'm sure he'll be back to do it. 738, first full, not too shabby. Let's see what's left on the table. It's so fucking linear.
Yeah.
So,
We'll hook up the torque for the next one. Forgot about this.
We'll look at the torque too, see what it's making. Probably going to be like 640 torque or something. And that's on the 3.6 pulley too, so it's not even really making that much steam yet. We still got Martin's car. It's about to go home, I swear. A ver qué hace la mamalona.
What happened?
I don't know, it just didn't pick it up for some reason. Whatever. We'll do another one right now once it cools down.
Backup pull?
Back it up. He'll be happy with that. It's already going to destroy the tires anyways.
How's the fuel system looking?
Par for the course, for what it is. I really probably wouldn't push it past 880, 900.
Back that up. 848. Yeah. That's it. That's pretty much all you gotta do.
Turnkey, super easy. What did it make it for?
No, I didn't pick it up right.
That's fine. 848. Cool.
What's up, man? Look, I'm gonna be honest with you. We haven't done much cotton lately, so we gotta blow it up to get the view. I got you. Is that cool? Yeah. All right. $938?
Said it jumped to 13 but held 10.
Huh?
It jumped to 13 but only held 10. That's what I'm saying.
We don't need that.
The car running for
Y'all
almost
sit there
2
plotting
years.
on me, man. Y'all plotting on me.
I'm telling you.
I said if it goes, I said you just need to give up.
Yeah.
I should call Brian and be like, just
He was
send me
he was, I think, my first S550 customer.
Oh, really?
And he brought it in, and I was like, man, this thing's nice, I have to get one. And here we are.
Yeah,
You
now
know?
look what you got, yeah.
Yeah, so
You're
I blame you for like
It's not my fault.
$80,000
That's not my
worth
fault.
of
No.
So, this invoice you're about to pay is about to be real expensive.
Fine. It's worth it at this point.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So let's send the log to London. As long as he doesn't look good, we'll add another 1 to 2 pounds.
So what was that?
12 pounds. Yeah.
Cool.
We're gonna have to dial it back down a little bit because one on the street will probably make more.
Yeah.
Yeah, 14. At 14.
I told you.
14 straight, yeah.
Make sure, first thing you do, you go home, put your radios on.
Yes.
And then you can go.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Okay.
Bam, pregnant.
That's nasty. Just leave it alone.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
See, I told you, like, oh, 16 pounds. No, you don't need it, bro.
Hey, and it didn't blow up, so
No, that's the biggest plus.
Yeah, yeah. So,
that true fan would have blown it up so we can get the views.
next one, though. Next time you get them, your bill.
Oh, yeah, what's up? My motor's ready? I'll pull the hell out of it.
There you go, 20 pounds.